Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fine at home. See the students, today we are going to take our English essay, that is the cleanliness. Now you know what about the cleanliness, right? The cleanliness, that means we have to keep our surrounding clean, we have to keep ourselves clean, right? And on that topic we have to write the essay today. See, nowadays it is very important for us that we have to keep the clean in our surrounding. We have to keep clean to us, and we have to take the lot of precautions. So, regarding with that also, the our essay is cleanliness. Then let us start. Cleanliness is a habit of maintaining our body, home and surrounding neat and clean. See, cleanliness means what? That we have to make the habit to ourselves. That we have to keep our body, our home, our surrounding neat and clean. If any if you saw in your home also anything is spreaded in here and there, then what you can do? You can keep that at on the place, right? Then it is essential quality required to live a healthy life. See, cleanliness is very important for us and it is very essential for our healthy life. If you want the healthy life, then we have to follow the cleanliness in for our body, for in our home and in our surrounding. Then there is a famous proverb which says cleanliness is next to godliness. See, there is very famous proverb that many times you have heard maybe, right? That is, the cleanliness is next to godliness. That means who keep the cleanliness with yourself, ourselves, with the surrounding, it is next to godliness. That means that our God also like, right? And it is very that cleanliness, follow the cleanliness in our lives. It is very good for our health, for our health. Maintaining personal cleanliness helps us to stay refreshed. Okay, whenever there is a cleanliness, suppose you are going in home, right? And there is a, if you saw all the things are mischievous and here and there, just spreaded here and there, your clothes, your bags, and many things. There is a the tiles are dirty. All these things are dirt. Then what do you think and how you feel? Like that time we feel very what is that, like that. But if when we are enter in home, the all things and we are home is looking very nicely, it is very neat and tidy, then we also feel very fresh. Even whenever we are wear the nice clothes, that clean clothes, that also, see, there is that feeling is different whenever you are wearing the new clothes at while going outside for any occasion. That time we feel very nicely, right? It is such, the maintaining personal cleanliness help us to stay refreshed. Then when we clean, when we keep the cleanliness, then we feel the refresh. It helps us in protecting ourselves from harmful bacteria and viruses. See, nowadays the situation is totally different as there is a diseases spread, right? So what we have to do, as there is, if there is a dirt, then the bacteria are there, viruses are there. So we have to maintain the cleanliness in our surrounding also. When we maintain personal and environment cleanliness, we seldom fall ill. See, not only we have to keep the cleanliness in our home only and for up to you only. That we have to follow that cleanliness, we have to keep the cleanliness to our surrounding also. That is in our, at least in our area. We have to try to clean the our area. Not you have to go and that wide, but we can make the awareness to the people of the cleanliness, right? It helps us to stay fit and lead an active lifestyle. See, because of the cleanliness, there is no diseases, right? So our body is always healthy, and that is so that it is given that fit, that it helps us to stay fit and lead an active lifestyle. So you are always fit and active in your life. Like the cleanliness we are saying about the exercise, right? as the exercise makes us fit. But not only exercise is important, the cleanliness is also important for our good health and for fit and healthy life. Okay. Then next, see the next. Everyone should possess the habit of cleanliness for good health, clean environment, and ideal lifestyle. See, it is not for the particular person that that person only have to make the habit of the cleanliness, but everyone have to possess that habit. Actually, we have to make the habit to ourselves that I have to clean daily. We have to keep the cleanliness in our surrounding to ourselves, right? And see, whenever you are just waking up in the morning, what we have to do? We have to brush our teeth, we have to clean, taking the bath, we have to take the wear the clean clothes, right? This is the main things of the habit. And then like that is the basic habit of that we have to daily. And how many times we have to brush our teeth? That is the twice in a day. That is the small habits and small things about the cleanliness, and we have to make the habit for that. Then our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has started a cleanliness campaign called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in 2014. See now which year is going on, that is the 2020. But in the year 2014, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has started the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. That time we can many times from that only this campaign is started. From the 2014 the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. There is a lot of campaign, and from there this Abhiyan is started, and it is just awareness of the cleanliness, that how the cleanliness is very important for our life and for our environment. For it is very necessary keep the cleanliness in our surrounding. And who started that? That this cleanliness abhiyan, that is the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, has started by the Mr. Narendra Modi in 2014. From this year, this that Abhiyan or cleanliness is given the name Cleanliness Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Now, cleanliness should start with home, school, colleges, offices, institutions, etc. It is not. We already learned that the cleanliness is not only for our surrounding, only for the that homes, but we have to start the cleanliness with from the home, from the school, college, institution, offices, surrounding, our environment, right? As if you are in school also, if there is, if you saw any paper is fall down, then what we have to do? We can keep we can that throw in the dustbin, right? Like that also, with the small thing we can keep the cleanliness in our surrounding. Then so that it spread as Swachh Bharat revolution on a large scale in the country. By making the cleanliness in our surrounding, by following the cleanliness from our home only, from home to our surrounding. With that, we spread the Swachh Bharat revolution. As we are starting the cleanliness, that means we are spread the Swachh Bharat revolution. By the Swachh Bharat, as we have to make our India, clean. Okay. So we are given the spread the Swachh Bharat revolution on a large scale in the country. Like that, our Bharat is became the Swachh Bharat, that is the clean Bharat, clean India. So what we have to do? We have to planted more and more trees. Not only we have to keep the cleanliness, that means there is a garbage, but there is a garbage and that throw in dustbin. Not only that, but what we have to do? We can plant the more and more trees, right? Because of the trees also, that cleanliness is also spread. It is looking nice for, and it is very good for our that country also, like for earth, right? As the trees give us fresh air, shadows, fruits, medicines, right? So we have to plant also more and more trees. That the planting the more trees, that is also the part of our cleanliness for our Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. See now, just read it again. Everyone should possess the habit of cleanliness for good health, clean environment, and ideal lifestyle. Okay, that here we have to follow the cleanliness. Just listen here. I am going read this. Just listen. As the cleanliness is the habit of maintaining our body, home, and surrounding neat and clean. It is an essential quality required to live a healthy life. Right? It is very essential for our health. That cleanliness is very essential nowadays. That see, whenever we are going to outside, how our roads are there, the dirt, all our surrounding, there is a garbage. So we have to keep the cleanliness in our surrounding. Whenever there is any person making the dirt dirty, then we can give the explain them. Then why we don't have to throw this garbage, and how we have to clean our surrounding. There is a famous proverb which says cleanliness is next to godliness. Maintaining personal cleanliness helps us stay refreshed. It helps us to protecting ourselves from harmful bacteria and viruses. See, if you keep the cleanliness in our surrounding, that means harmful bacteria and germs, they can't do anything. We cannot going to follow the ill. It helps us to stay fit and lead an active lifestyle. Everyone should possess the habits of cleanliness for good health, clean environment, and ideal lifestyle. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, started a cleanliness campaign called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in 2014. And from this 2014, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is started. And now also, nowadays also in 2020, we follow this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. There is some campaign there. Cleanliness should start with homes, schools, colleges, offices, institutions, etc. We have to start from our home only. Okay. So that it spread as Swachh Bharat revolution on a large scale in the country. When we start this cleanliness from our house to our school, colleges, institutions, offices, on the road, and then only it spreads the Swachh Bharat revolution. Thus, we have to plant the more and more trees for our healthy environment. Then, just you have to, you can do that. You can write the essay on cleanliness and by your in own words. I hope you understood what is the importance of the cleanliness for our life. So, from the today only start to cleanliness in your home also, in your surrounding also, and which is now very important nowadays also, right? So, keep the cleanliness.